Can you explain your emotions, sir?
Thank you. It was a tough tournament, up and downs. We had a good start, but in the middle we got a little bit of the batting actually was struggling, and then on top of that we lost Anil on the way. But we were very determined, to win this tournament. The whole group was together working hard, and we knew that if we start doing small things right, we can do it. And even I don't think anybody believed that we can beat Royals this easy. But within our group, we had that belief, and we achieved it.
You thought this is an easy win, but do you think it was possible in this way when you with 185 pitches and the top order not firing?
At the beginning of the innings, it was a tough toss actually. We were debating to chase or bat first because it was a good wicket, and we know that it's going to be a high scoring game. I thought 180 was not enough in that. After they got 110 into around 12 overs, one wicket down, I think we started bowling well, and it was a great effort to keep it for 185. It would have been 210, 220 even. But once I see 185, I think it's just that we need to start.
You sent Milantha to open. Was it because they have safe and Hardik up top?
No, what I wanted to do today is put the best people up there. It works. It works. Don't want to. We tried actually different combinations to mix up the youngsters and the senior players. Didn't go well. So I thought today we will pack the best on the top and see how it goes.
You sent Mohsin in number 4. You said there will be some surprise in the batting. Was it the plan, or was it due to the situation in game that you wanted both the left-handers?
He was we asked him to pad up and stay. Even if there's an early wicket fall, he would have gone in. But once Asif and Milantha got the start and the momentum, and we wanted to carry few more overs into the second half of the game. So that's why Mohsin walked in, and he did a great job to get things going.
The batters are grabbing the headlines today, but it was Lalit who made sure he made an economical over as well. And throughout the tournament, he has been exceptional. Any words on him, and especially today's performance?
I think for me, if you ask me, honestly, he is the best player of this tournament. And sometimes I don't agree that when you are only going by the numbers, okay, Japan had a good tournament, and there are other few players that had good tournaments, and their numbers are there, runs, wickets, and whatever. But Larit's performance was the key for us to win this tournament, and there was times that he came unbelievably, even today we had the batters had a great start, and he came and bowled a maiden over. It was not just one fluke day. He was keep doing it every game. There are two times he had bowled 2 maidens in the power play. So on these batting wickets, I think he's the best player of this tournament. For me, it's not because of that I'm from Ganapur and I'm saying that he is the player of this tournament.
Do you think he's unlucky not to get away with the card?
100%. He is the
But overall, summing up the tournament, we have players like Jimmy Neesham coming in, and a fitting finale for this crowd. How do you see the growth of cricket, this NPL helping the growth of cricket?
That's wonderful. I started saying that as well. The tournament was very well organized, and the fans were all over the place and supporting the game. I think all 8 teams played quality cricket. Of course, you only can have one winner. But having 80 plus Nepali players playing in this tournament, even in our dressing room, we have 3 under-19 players and few more other junior players, and sharing the dressing room with Jimmy and other senior players, and I'm sure they learned a lot. And I'm also personally happy that I was able to put these youngsters into under pressure moments and see how they go. I think they learn so much. And these tournaments will do wonders if he keeps going the same way. This will be the key for Nepal to get into the next level.
We've seen the players playing in, but how important has been the management? And you've been part of the Bolts franchise for long. How important has the management side of things been in this tournament?
There are 2 goals. It's always it's a great bunch of